Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Where Winds Meet on PC. So there are a couple of ways you can install this game on your PC. So the first one is by using the Steam application. So all you have to do is launch the Steam app on your PC. And then once you launch it, go to the store section and click on it. And then you can search for Where Winds Meet. Or alternatively, you can simply find it under the featured and recommended section. So in case you don't see it here, simply type Where Winds Meet. And then from the search result, click on it. And then I should see a brief description of what the game is all about. So before you can install it, scroll down to the bottom and check for the system requirements and check if your PC meets the system requirements for this particular game. Now, once you've confirmed that, you can simply scroll back up and then select Play Game. Click on it, and then now it will prompt you to choose a location whereby you want to install that particular game. So you can also choose to create a desktop shortcut if you prefer, or you can choose to create a start menu shortcut. So select the options that you prefer, and then once you're done, simply click on install, and then you have to agree to the terms and policies. So read through all this and then select accept. And the game will start downloading, as you can see at the bottom. So you can click on it, and now you can see the progress of the download. Now, another way you can download this game is by using the Epic Games launcher. So simply open Epic Games, and then from here, select the store section, and then click on the search bar at the top and search for Where Winds Meet. And from the search results, click on it. So once you have confirmed the purchase, and you should see this option, thanks for the order. And then all you have to do is click on View in Library, and then you can see it from here. So to install it, click on it, and then choose the location that you'd like to install it to. And also you can choose to enable and disable these options, the auto update games to this folder, or you can choose to create a desktop shortcut as well for this particular game. So once you've confirmed everything, click on install, and then confirm any permissions that might appear, and the game installation process will begin. So as you can see, now you can check the game, the installation progress, sorry, by clicking on this arrow at the bottom left corner. Click on it, and now you can see the installation process for that particular game. So that's another way of how to install Where Winds Meet on PC. Now the last one is by simply going to the official website. So to do this, simply open your browser. So let me just open my browser. And then all you have to do is go to this site, wherewindsmeet.com, and you should get to this homepage. So www.wherewindsmeet.com, and then you should get to this page. And then from here, you should see this option, Play PC Now, or you can simply click it at the top right corner. So click on it, and then it will download a .exe file. So as you can see, so choose the download location that you'd like to install this particular setup file, and click on save, and then allow the setup file to be downloaded. You can check the progress by clicking on the arrow at the top of the screen to see the progress if you're using Chrome. Now, once the setup has been downloaded, you can simply click on it from here to open it, or you can simply access it on the said location that you chose to save that particular file. So for me, I'll just go and find it on the downloads because I saved it on downloads. So go to downloads and then find that particular file. So as you can see, here's the file. So all you have to do is double click on it and then allow any permissions that might appear. So give it a few seconds. And then you might see this option, smart screen can be reached right now. So all you have to do is select run to proceed. So give it a few seconds and then confirm any permissions. And then you should see this installation window. So all you have to do is click on I have read and agreed on the user agreements and the privacy policy. And also, if you want to customize the installation, you can click on this option, custom installation. And then you can choose to create a desktop shortcut or add a quick launcher bar, or you can choose the location that you'd like to save that particular file. So all you have to do is click on install. Once you have set everything up, click on install now. And it will try to install the Where Winds Meet. So give it a few seconds. And then now you should get to this Where Winds Mint launcher. And then you might see if there's an update available, you'll see new update available. If you want to update now, simply click on confirm. If you don't, you can simply click on cancel. So I'll just click on confirm to update it. So it will download the update. And then once you have downloaded the update, you should get back to the Where Winds Meet launcher. And then from here, you can change a couple of things, be it the game language, the voice language, and also you can choose the client version. So if you want, there's the light version, which will take 68 GB. You can choose the standard version, which will take 100 GB. And also there's the ultimate, which will be coming soon. So choose the option that you prefer. And once you're done, simply click on install. So ensure that you have enough storage space. So for me, I'll just change the program. I'll just change the installation file and choose another location. So choose another location and select. And then once you're done, you should click on install. And now that will install Where Winds Meet on your PC. So give it a few seconds to begin the installation process. So as you can see, the download process is beginning. So this will install the game on your PC. So those basically are the ways on how to install Where Winds Meet on PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.